you need to take enough of this to make a seal in here and a seal around your piping. Again, do not mix the 810 in your hardener or this will go bad on you. Just want to put a few drops of the hardener in there. And mix this really well. It'll start to get smoother and the odor will change slightly. Now, once you've got your channel embedded in your concrete, you can just take your 810, make a bead across, make sure you get up underneath this trough, and there, and your seam. You can actually push it down into the seam with the stick you're using, or use a putty stick, a putty knife. And that's all there is to it. That should harden nice and smooth now, and if you need to, you can take a knife afterwards and take off the excess on the side so your grating fits down perfectly inside. Now to do the next part, you cut your hole in your trough with I use a 2-inch hole saw, just like that. Cut my hole, put the trough down over the pipe that you want to use for drainage. Just take your 810, go all the way around the pipe, trying to get it down inside where your seam is. You'll notice that using a 1.5-inch pipe and a 2-inch hole saw, you have a bit of play in the hole. It's going to be a little bit bigger than the 1.5-inch pipe, but not too big that you can't seal it. Again, take your putty knife, go around and create a flat seal so that there's nothing deterring the water from running into that. And that's basically it. Once that dries, you'll have a watertight seal on your drain pipe.